Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, service cover, SATA drive, wireless module, hard disk drive, base enclosure, and display panel assembly. Removal. Remove the 2 screw covers from the bottom corners of the display bezel. Remove the 4 3mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the display bezel to the display enclosure. Carefully pry up the inside edges of the display bezel from the top, sides, and bottom to disengage it from the display enclosure. Lift and remove the display bezel. Replacement. Place the display bezel into position on the display enclosure. Apply pressure around the outside edges of the display bezel until it snaps onto the display enclosure. Note: ensure that the display bezel around the hinges is completely snapped into place. Replace the 4 3mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the display bezel to the display enclosure. Replace the 2 screw covers into the bottom corners of the display bezel.